If you want to set a custom charging ringtone on your iPhone, here's how you can do it. First, make sure you have the sound effect you want to use. You can download sound effects from Pixabay or the Zedge app. After downloading, long press the sound file and tap Copy. Next, open the Shortcuts app. Go to Automation and tap the plus icon. Search for Charging and select that option. Then choose Run Immediately and tap Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut. Search for Base64 Encode and select it. Tap Input, then choose Clipboard. After that, search for Copy to Clipboard and select it. Tap the play icon, then search for text and paste the copied value. Next, search for Base64 Encode again. But this time, make sure you select Decode. Finally, add Play Sound. Press Done, and that's it. Now check if it's working. It should work perfectly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.